come out wherever you are. There you are, you. Look at you, little cutie pie. You're so cute. Oh, you missed the shot. Well, that's a bummer. Really, I'm sorry I'm gonna have to do this to you, but yeah. I apologize. I really don't like killing people, honestly. It's just, my mom makes me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yes. Kill for mother.
I don't want to kill mother. I don't want to kill anymore. These are my friends.
No,
Hi,
don't do this.
people!
Nah, not me.
Come here. Where's she going?
She's in this house. Like there she is. Look at it. Look at that.
Come here.
Ah, that's me.
Oh, it's you. Oh no. Oh no. Ah, come here.
Ah,
You little orange
you
crack.
betrayed me.
No, I didn't mean to. I didn't kill you. I let you live. Come over here, you little crack. I will find you, and I will grab you, and I will squeeze your titties. I just want a hug. I just want a hug. Stop running so I can give you a hug. Try and be nice to some people, and they just run away. That's all they do is just run.
I know, right?
People
Some
nowadays.
people, right? Other way, Jason. Other way. Other side. Oh wait, no. Wait, hold on, Jason. I'll open this door for you. There you go. Jason? Did he leave? Hello? Hello? Oh, I have car keys. Hello?
Surprise,
Are you
motherfucker.
opening the door for him?
Oh, wait. No, wrong person. Oh, I'm so sorry. No, I'm so sorry.
That's my boy. Hunt them down.
You made me kill my friend. Now you will pay. I don't like killing people. I feel bad for killing people, but I'm gonna sure enjoy killing you. You made me kill my friend, and now I will kill yours. Focus yourself. Get over here. You will not survive. Come here. Backbreaker 5.5. Yeah.
Don't stop, Jason. They deserve to
Teabag,
die.
teabag,
Make
teabag,
them
teabag.
suffer like we.
Oh, I missed. Come here. See, I don't really like killing people, but Mother tells me I have to or else I won't get dinner, so unfortunately, I'm gonna have to kill you. It would really mean a lot, though, if you could just, like, stand there and not, like, you know, fight back. You just could get over a lot quicker. Just like that. Thank you, kindness. Oh, she had a fucking knife.
Jason, don't let them.
I mean, you can't really hurt me necessarily. I'm kind of a boss. Can't run away forever. Are you serious? You have a second pocket knife? Okay, now you're making Jason mad. Now I'm gonna want to kill you. You are making Jason really mad now. I'm not gonna feel sorry for killing you. Dumb broad. Come here. Are you serious? You have 3 pocket knives.
What your gift is.
You have 3 pocket knives.
You cannot
Are you serious?
You can never die.
Nice try. I heard you run. I heard you jump out that window. Uh-oh. Someone's low on stamina. Get back here. Get back here. Oh, look at that. 2 birds with 1 stone. Ooh, which one am I going to go for? Which one? Well, this one's already kind of low on stamina, but that one's a little bit slower. Let's go for this one. Three, 2, 1, moving.
That's my Jason. That's my special foe.
Tired of you. I'm tired of you. Therefore, you're going to get that cut off. Trying to hurt me. 3 pocket knives, my butt.
That's my boy. Hunt them.
Howdy, folks.
Jason, my boy. Do you know what your gift is? No matter what they do to you, you cannot die.
That was rude.
You can never die.
I don't appreciate it when people hit me. How do you get up there? Is she hitting through there? Oh, that's a bummer. Back. Oh, nope. Head against the duck.
That's my boy. Hunt them down and make them
I'm
pay.
really sorry to everyone I killed, except for the one that made me kill my friend, and for the one that had 3 pocket knives.
Boy,
I'm glad you guys died.
reward for you.